great to start. You don't have to be great to start. You have to start to be great. Hello everyone, myself Nigar Sultana. I welcome you all to Annum Digital Learnings. In our previous videos, we have done the important topic that is simple interest. In the upcoming videos, we are going to learn a similar topic of the simple interest, that is compound interest. Before we proceed to the problems of the compound interest, let me tell you the difference between the simple interest and the compound interest. In simple interest, we were providing the rate of interest with the principal amount. Each and every year, the rate of interest and the principal amount will be same. Whereas in the compound interest, we were applying the rate of interest along with the principal amount as well as the interest. The principal amount will be increasing along with the interest. There will be no constant principal amount. Each and every time the principal amount will be different, or it can be increasing. So now let's move to a computer screen to solve and understand what is a compound interest. Do like our video, share with your friends, and do not forget to subscribe our channel.
Let's start solving the problems of compound interest. Before we start solving the problems of compound interest, let's understand the formulas. So the first formula of the compound interest is when the interest is compound annually. Amount is equals to P of 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power n. Now let's see what is this P, R and n. P means, I have told you, P indicates for principal amount. R means rate of interest. Next, N indicates number of years. So this is the formula for when the interest is compound annually. Now let's see the formula when it is for half yearly. Amount is equals to P of 1 plus R by 2 divided by 100 and 2n. Just for the half yearly, insert R by 2 instead of R, and instead of n, insert 2n. That's it. Now when the interest is compound quarterly, quarterly means it is 4. The formula is amount is equals to P of 1 plus R by 4. Instead of 2, it is 4 divided by 100. Instead of 2n, it is quarterly means it is 4. So write down 4n. That's it. Next is when the interest is compounded annually but the time is in fraction, say 2 by 5 years. So how will you represent this? Amount is equals to P, that is the principal amount, 1 plus R by 100 star 1 plus R by 100. Now this whole number will be kept as a power for the first one, P 1 plus R by 100 to the power 3. Now this fraction part 2 by 3 will be multiplied with R. So this is the formula for when the interest is compounded annually but the time is in fraction. When the time period is given in the form of a fraction, we need to use this formula. Okay. Next, when the rates are different for different years, say R1% and R2, R3% for the first, second and third year respectively. See, when for the first year, if we have the rate of interest different. For the second year, there is different rate of interest. Again for the third year, the rate of interest is different. If this is the case, what we have to do? We need to use this formula as amount is equals to principal 1 plus rate of interest of first one 100 into 1 plus R2, that is the second rate of interest, into 1 plus R3 by 100. So this is the formula when for each and every year there is a different rate of interest. The last formula is present worth of rupees X due of n years hence is given by. So the formula for this is present worth is equals to X whole divided by 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power n. So these are the formulas. Now let's implement these formulas in our problems. So in this video we are going to learn only the formulas and the two problems. So the first problem states that find compound interest on rupees 7,500 at 4% per annum for 2 years compounded annually. So first write down what is the data given. So what is the given? So this is our principal amount. P is equals to 7,500. Next, this is our rate of interest. R is equals to 4%. This is our time, that is T or the N. Next, so now which is the formula which is related to this problem? So they have given the condition as compounded annually. So annually means this. Fine, what is the formula? Amount is equals to P of 1 plus R by 100 to the power N. Let's write down. Amount is equals to P of 1 plus R divided by 100 to the power N. So what is the value of P? P is 7,500. 1 plus, what is the value of R? It is 4% by 100. N means it is time, 2. Let's simplify this. 7,500. So this is, let's take the LCM, 104 by 100 to the power N. When we simplify this, we will get 26 and 25, which is equals to 7,500, 26 by 25. So this is square. So write down twice. When we simplify this, 25 1, this is 25 3. Again 25 1, 25 1, 2. Yes, 12 into 26 into 26, which is equals to 8112. So this is an amount. It is not compound interest, right? So how will you calculate? See, in our previous videos we have learned that amount will be equal to sum plus simple interest, right? So similarly here also amount will be equals to the principal amount plus CI. So this is an amount. We need to calculate the compound. How will you calculate this? So this compound interest will be calculated as amount minus the principal amount. So what is the amount? 8112 minus what is the principal amount? 7,500. So what is the value of this? CI is equals to 612. So the compound interest is 612. So this is the answer of this first problem. Now let's move on to the next problem. Find compound interest on 10,000 in 2 years at 4% per annum, the interest being compounded half yearly. Now which formula we are going to use? We are going to use the second formula. When interest is compound half yearly, that is amount is equals to P of 1 plus R by 2 by 100, 2 to the 2n as its power. Now the data is given is, so what is the given data? So this is our principal amount, this is time, this is rate of interest. P value is 10,000, T value is 2 years, R value is 4%. Now what is the formula? Amount is equals to P of 1 plus R by 2 by 100 to the power 2n, right? What is the value of P? 10,000, 1 plus R is 4 by 200, this is 2 into n is 2 again. So now this is 2, 1 and this is 2. So now this is 100 plus 2 is 102 by 100, 4. So now this can be cancelled as 2 5s and 2 1s. This is 2 5s and this is 0. 10,000. This can be written as 51 by 50 4 times. 51 by 50, 51 by 50 and this is 51 by 50 again. So now these 4 zeros will get cancelled out. Yes. So now the remaining is 51 into 51 into 51 into 51 divided by, so this is 5 5s are 25, again 25 into 25 is 625. So what is the value? 10824.32. So this is our amount, 10824.32. So now we need the compound interest. What is the formula to find the compound interest? Equals to amount minus sum. What is the amount? 10824.32 minus 10,000, right? Yes. So what is the value? Ci, which is equals to 824.32. So this is the value of this problem. Now we will solve few more problems in our next video.
Do like and share this video with your friends and help them to understand the problems. Thank you.